Hey there Candy Crush lover, just reinstall the Candy Crush or switching devices. Wanna get your sweet progress back? In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open Candy Crush on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top right corner of your gear icon. That's your getaway glory. Tap my account. This is where login magic happens. You will see options like Facebook, King account or email. Pick how you saved your game last time. Logged in with Facebook, tap it. Used King, enter your email and password. Once you logged in, boom, you will be right back where you left off. Level 1 or level 1000. Your sweet saga continues. Pro tip, if you use King or Facebook, your progress is saved all across devices. No more candy heartbreaks when you switch phones. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.